Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this meal prep kit. It's glass containers. It's 10 pieces, 2-compartment glass meal prep containers. And the brand is Verones. So as you can see here in the back, there's a picture of the glass containers. It comes with 10 pieces. The size is 7.8 by 5 by 7 by 2.5. It has those clip lids. And let's open it up. So these are the teal colored containers. As you can see, there's a smaller container, and I think this one is, oh no, these are all the same sizes. It looks smaller in there, but this is the same. They're all teal colored. There's 10 pieces, and it's very nice. They've covered the lids with plastic so that it won't scratch. Here is the inside. I think this is for 4.5 cups of food. The inside, as you can see, the inside is the divider here. It's not level on top. It's a little bit lower than the lid. This is pretty heavy duty. It's a thick glass material. I think it's called borosilicate glass. It's not tempered. Let's see how it fits. So the only thing I'm worried about, I've had something like this before, is usually this thing breaks the quickest, the cover. But I think they're pretty well made, as you can see here. Let's see if it says it's tight lock. Let me get some water and see if it's really like it seals, air sealed. I mean, so you can see here, it locks really easily. So let's do a little testing here. I'm gonna pour some water. Moment of truth. Let's pour some water on both the sides, and let's see if it lives up to the description. If it's really water and sealed. So if like you bring it to work and you put it in your bag, it doesn't leak. They had like a picture of it not leaking, and it doesn't leak, which is pretty awesome. Well, maybe if you like, let's see. You can see it's not leaking. It is pretty good. So yes, I'm not gonna bring everything out. This is the 2-compartment glass container. It's airtight, watertight. So if you're looking for something, I'll link this item in the description. I got it on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.